Green tea toilet paper is made through a patented technology called cooking by washing and pulverizing selected organic green tea leaves from the Boseong green tea field in South Korea and mixing it with Indonesian virgin pulp. Indonesian pulp trees are sustainable trees that can be harvested after 7 to 8 years of growth, growing 6 times faster than normal trees in tropical rainforests. Green tea toilet paper production process is an eco-friendly facility, and it's producing energy-saving results every year compared to the existing virgin pulp, recycled paper, and bamboo toilet paper factories. Unlike conventional white toilet paper, green tea toilet paper is a patented technology that does not contain chemicals that pollute nature through the bleaching and whitening process, and which is harmful to the human body. Green tea considers the environment as their top priority. Green tea toilet paper is eco-friendly, has a green tea scent, 3 thick layers, is soft, dissolves well in water, and has biodegradability to reduce environmental pollution. This is Green tea toilet paper.